Hello everyone and welcome to my new vlog from Paris. I got ready, you're gonna see my outfit later, but it's actually afternoon. All day I was at home just doing some clay for my brand Sapore, but it's Friday evening and we are going to have dinner out. Recently one famous pizzeria from Naples opened here in Paris. It's Pizzeria da Michele. If you've been to Naples, it's like #1 most popular place there, so probably you didn't miss it. But recently they opened here in Paris, so we are going to try now to get there. I hope there is not a long line like in Naples. And this weekend actually in Paris is a weekend when a lot of buildings that are usually closed for public open. So I think tomorrow and the day after then we're gonna go and visit some cool buildings, so I'm gonna include that in this vlog as well. But today is the last nice day. Apparently it's like 29 degrees and it's been sunny for the past 3 days. Seems like it's gonna be rainy in the following days, so we just want to use the good weather in Paris that doesn't come so often. Anyways, let's go have some pizza now and I will talk to you later. So here are some of the charms I made today. I mean, not all of these, but these are the new ones. I'm waiting for them to dry, and also those are some of the new ones I painted today. So yay! Hello, rainy Paris, as I said also yesterday, but as I promised, I'm gonna take you now to a cute hotel. I'm not sure actually if this hotel is usually closed or not for visits, but today is free to visit it. I tried to enter actually Hotel de Ville, but it's only possible with reservations, which I didn't have, so just decided to go somewhere else instead. So the first building that I'm going to visit during this year's European Heritage Days is Hotel de Sully, and it's located in Marais, which is a pretty central location. It's not very big, but the line was long. I waited almost 1.5 hours to get inside of these apartments, but there is a beautiful garden in the back that you can visit for free all the time. It's actually a 17th century mansion that used to belong to Duke of Sully, and there is still the furniture from that era inside, so I think the apartments are worth the visit because even though it's not that big, it still feels like it holds a lot of memories. And then when I visited the garden, I also saw some contemporary furniture that looked pretty fun. Unfortunately, since I waited for a long time to enter to this hotel, there was not enough time today to go somewhere else, so I just ended up walking a bit in Le Marais, and then later me and my husband met and went to Bouillon République to eat some dinner. Another day, let's go to explore some cool architecture. Our first stop of the day is Espace Niemeyer, which is such a cool contrast compared to the old Parisian buildings around it. It was designed in the 1960s by the Brazilian architect Oscar Niemeyer, who is famous for these futuristic and curvy buildings. From the outside, you will notice the big white dome right away that inside contains the main conference hall that we were able to visit, but normally you can't really go inside of this building because it's the headquarters of the French Communist Party. party. So that's the cool thing about the Heritage Days, because you get to see the places that are usually closed all year around and only open on this day for public. We walked a bit around the building, and even the furniture gives a vibe that you stepped into some other time. In the end, we ended up on the rooftop that gives an amazing view again to the dome and as well whole Paris. So it was definitely a beautiful experience to visit this building, and I would definitely recommend it if you have a chance to visit it anytime. The next place we checked out was the Pathe Foundation, designed by Renzo Piano, and it's such a cool mix of modern design and the historical building it's attached to. From the outside, you can't really see the new structure, but as soon as you step in, it's something else. Because of the Heritage Days, we got to see the offices at the top that are usually closed to the public, but you can always visit the exhibitions that are downstairs. And from an architect point of view, it was really interesting to see the building from that perspective. And we got to check out the books about the project from the very beginning all the way till the end. Downstairs, we explored the exhibition, which had old movie posters, vintage film cameras, and all these amazing pieces of cinema history. And the coolest part is that at the end of the exhibition, they were showing some old silent movies, and there was a guy playing live piano, and it made the whole experience so alive and magical. One of our friends graduated, so it was time to celebrate, and we met up in this restaurant that looks like wagons of the train. It is such a cool design, and it really gives you the vibe as if you are really traveling in the train. And even though I didn't really like what I ordered, still we had some nice time with our friends, and it was the perfect way to end this busy weekend. Now we are going to the camera shop because we had this mini camera on our wedding, and there are 27 pictures that we didn't even see so far, so we want them in digital version. Today is more of a chill day, so we don't want to do much as yesterday. So we got some noodles and a ramen, and now we're gonna eat this one because this one is for two, but we have the seafood. This one was with chicken, I think, and then another one with seafood, and this one is veggie. Now we have to figure out how to make it, but it's just 3 minutes, so should be easy. I'm back home. I went to meet my friend and we had some waffles and some iced tea. I took the one with ginger. The rain is not stopping, but I just had to go out and do something today because otherwise I would just stay in bed. But I wanted to just show you as a final thing in this vlog what I got recently. The package is from Mango Outlet. I mean, I just got 2 things. It's not a lot, and they had some crazy discounts. So first thing is this bag. It's kind of a basic thing, but I think this shape is very cute and I can wear it also one day when I start working, which hopefully is gonna be soon. And yeah, I didn't talk to you about it in this vlog. We still are waiting for the French ministry to just give me at least the proof that I can work. Everything is super slow here, so I'm just patiently waiting for them to respond to my email, which can take apparently up to 8 weeks, or maybe they never reply. Let's see. In any case, now I have a bag that besides work I can just carry all around. And the other thing, also thinking of my work, I ordered these beige pants. What? Looking at them now, they seem quite wide, which is not what I expected when I ordered. Like, why is this so wide? The size is 36 and it's from the collaboration of Victoria Beckham with Mango, but I really thought when I saw them on a picture they were not this wide. Okay, hopefully they fit me fine and I don't look like a bag. Okay, here is an update. I think I can wear them with a belt because otherwise they are a bit wide on me, but as you see, I'm literally stepping on them right now. I'm gonna have to do something with it. The bag is so cute. This could be an outfit, but I have to fix the pants. These days I'm trying like to organize my closet a bit and just see what I'm not wearing anymore here, so that I can either put it on Vinted or put it on the streets, because people usually do that here as well. Actually, there are like also trash bins where you can put clothes, so they recycle it or I guess give it away somewhere. So yeah, I will check that as well. That's it. The weather is horrible but luckily in 2 days I'm going on a mini trip. Hopefully it's gonna be a bit sunny there. It's one of my favorite places and my home number 2. I hope you enjoy this mini vlog. Few days with me in Paris. We started with 28 degrees and we ended this vlog with 12. Thank you for watching this vlog and I will see you soon in my next one. Ciao.